spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is brought to you by the Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront portal. Curated from the vast Walmart.com network of retailers, here you can find handy links to hundreds of railroad and model railroad items. Follow the link in the video description, or use your smartphone and snap a photo of this handy QR code to visit the store. And of course, our channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And now to the new items. Coming soon in Kindle and hardcover editions is Black Diamonds from the Treasure State, the incredible saga of the Montana, Wyoming, and Southern and Yellowstone Park Railroads by Robert A. Shalla. In the late 19th century, railroads played a crucial role in the development of Montana's economy. Robert A. Shalla examines the early efforts to bring rail transport to the New World Mining District near the northeast corner of Yellowstone National Park and Red Lodge Bear Creek Coalfield in south-central Montana. The saga began with a chance discovery in 1866 and follows the exploits of individuals who worked to bring rail transport to the mines of southern Montana. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. Coming soon in paperback is Maine's Two Footers, the Linwood Moody Collection. Beginning in 1932, Linwood W. Moody documented in photographs and collected artifacts of Maine two-footer railroads. A pioneer of railroad photography, his work led to articles in numerous publications and later culminated in Linwood's 1959 publication, The Maine Two Footers. Among his personal effects at the time of his death in 1983 were hundreds of photographs of three of the Maine Two Footers. The state of Maine was unique in regards to its narrow-gauge railroads having an unusual gauge of 24 inches between the rails. Follow the link in the video description to pre-order. Lionel trains will be producing exclusive Legacy GP9 models in Aberdeen, Carolina and Western, and Texas Special colors for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. The pre-order price is $549.99 each, and the models are expected to arrive in late 2024. Lionel is also producing a Legacy GP9 in New York and Greenwood Lake Railway colors for Metka and the New Jersey High Railers. The pre-order price for this model is $575, with expected delivery in late 2024. Menards has announced a new auto carrier car with 6 included scale 1951 Ford pickup trucks. The carrier includes 18 railroad logo decals so you can customize your carrier. The auto carriers are now available online for $49.99 each or $179.96 for a 4-pack before rebates. MTH Electric Trains has announced a premier O-scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in distinctive Jacob Leinenkugel Brewing Company colors for exclusive distribution for Stockyard Express. The cars will be offered in 2 car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $69.95 each, plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has also announced a premier O-scale 36-foot wood-sided reefer in distinctive Bergner and Engel colors for retailer Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be offered in 2 car numbers, both in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $74.95 plus freight. Speaking of 36-foot reefer cars, Ready Made Trains has announced that their new 36-foot cars will be arriving soon at authorized RMT dealers. The cars are available in 40 different road names and have a suggested retail price of $34.95 each. Follow the link in the video description to find your nearest dealer. And don't forget to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. Remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Oh, and if you like these weekly product updates, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon so you never miss an episode. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year.